From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
We have scattered clouds across the state, and in Happy Valley, some of that blue sky is allowing the sun to reach the ground. I'm meteorologist Paul Mykolajtchuk. Behind me, we are looking at Beaver Stadium, the current conditions there, and we have a mix of blue sky and clouds right now. That sun has been reaching the ground, heating things up, and temperatures are expected to reach the lower 70s for today. It feels like 63 because we don't have that much of a wind, and dew points are sitting in the comfortable mid-50s range. Visibility is quite good as well at 10 miles. Not really too much change here in central PA. Harrisburg is the warm spot alongside Johnstown. As we zoom out, though, we can see that there is more of a temperature contrast as farther to the northwest, temperatures still in the 50s as there is some cloud cover keeping those temperatures down. However, farther to the southeast where we have those orangey colors, that is where temperatures have been registering in the mid to upper 70s range. So certainly quite a temperature contrast here because of some clouds and precipitation. Also, we do have a big dew point contrast as well, where we have those blue colors. That is where the dew points are only in the 40s, and those orangey colors where dew points are in the 60s. For the most part across the state, though, it is quite comfortable. However, once those showers roll through, that's when things could definitely get a little bit on the rainy side here. We have a batch of showers in eastern PA rolling to the east. Here closer to home, though, only isolated showers. Could definitely be a light shower for the afternoon hours. Nothing too dramatic, though, as we also have a cloud deck also progressing from west to east. Also, over the next couple of days, not really too much in the way of rain chances. However, by the time we roll to Wednesday, that is where we have our first big rain chance for the week, and that is in the form of this disturbance rolling on through from west to east. Not only on Wednesday do we have this disturbance, on Thursday there is another disturbance that rolls through from west to east, giving yet another chance of rain. For today, those isolated showers will be present. Nothing too heavy, though, and nothing too widespread, but certainly worth mentioning and certainly worth bringing an umbrella with you as well. Winds will be on the calm side, and they will still be on the calm side for tonight, as temperatures only getting into the upper 50s, as that mostly cloudy sky does keep temperatures on the high side compared to where we expect this time of year. Over the next several days, we do have a big change in temperatures, though. Getting up to Wednesday, temperatures reaching the 80s, above average this time of year, and easterly flow on Friday could keep temperatures a bit on the low side, though, and depending on how quickly a frontal passage rolls through on Saturday could depend on if we have some showers or thunderstorms. For the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I am meteorologist Paul Mykolajtchuk. Have a great rest of your day.